Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Wanted to talk about my budget series. I want to talk about water containers real quick. You guys might have noticed me using these. So these are two single wall stainless steel water bottles. Now this might be up for a bit of debate because this one here is a Syndicates Plus. Now how I got this is I worked at an office building, and when I was looking around in the kitchen for some hot chocolate, this bottle was up in the cabinet. So the debate is, well, you could argue that, well, I stole it, and I'm sure that the bosses at work would have said the same thing because it wasn't mine. But I had kept my eye on it for a couple of weeks and no one had touched it. So I took it home and repurposed it for my outdoorsness. So this bottle cost me nothing. But I have seen these at thrift stores. All I did is I just ran the cap through the dishwasher, and then I just washed the bottle out by hand, hot soapy water, and then good to go. Now this one's a clean canteen, and you can see the label is kind of worn off. I found this at a trailhead. It was it's dented and being used, but it was laying at where I shot my YouTube pet peeves video. It was laying on the ground. It was sitting on the ground right next to that dock. I was sitting at a deck next on a picnic table, and this was sitting on the ground. That was sitting on the very edge of the deck. Now it had been there a while because when it rained, you know how water can splatter up on things. This was totally covered in water splatter. So I figured, well, no one's claiming that, or they don't know it's there. So I just took it home. I ran the cap through the dishwasher, and then I washed the bottle with hot soapy water just like this one. And now I have two stainless steel water bottles I can drink out of, and it cost me nothing. So thought I'd do that real quick video and kind of go over these. This is going to be going in my budget camping series. Check the playlist or description down below for the link to that channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Greens one and all, how does that?